we went down to a Cincinnati Reds game. My grandson had asked me to take him, and when we got back, we left at 8 o'clock in the morning and come back around 7:30. We opened the front door, and of course there was water all over the place. And then we went into the laundry room where the actual water leak was, and it was devastating at how much water damage there was done in that period of time. Yeah, first we knew that we contacted Koenig Insurance, and they kind of led us in the directions that we needed to go. And at that point, we had no idea who we were going to call to do the restorations. With Koenig Insurance, they had suggested Swartz, and that's who we decided we were going with at that time. And everybody come in, Ben, Brian, and everybody, and they kind of made you feel a part of their company, and they worked with us and talked to us and made some decisions with us, and we went from there. Well, it was real noisy. They brought in a lot of big fans to blow air in to dry the drywall and stuff. They brought in dehumidifiers. I never seen so much equipment in my life as they brought in. But yeah, they come in, and within like 3-4 days, they had the whole area dried out, and then it processed into the next step of taking things apart and then starting into the restoration. Well, we had to move a lot of things, and with that being said, Swartz, the guys come in, helped us locate things in the living room and move things around so they could actually come in and do the beginning of the restoration and the taking down the drywall, the flooring, and so on and so forth. I don't remember the other guy that come in with Brian. I know Josh was one of them. There was a younger guy. Every time they come into the house to do anything, they were right on top of things. There was no lagging. There was nothing. They come in and they were doing their job right off the bat, and they continued to do the work until it was finished. Yeah, I mean, I've dealt with Swartz here over the last couple, 2-3 months now. I'll tell you what, if anybody ever needs the restoration work or help with the cleanup, drying out, I would suggest Swartz by far is the best company. Each one of their co-workers or the workers that come in here, Brian, Josh, Bruce, and again, I can't remember the young gentleman's name. They come in, as soon as they stepped in our door, they were working right after they stepped in. And also I worked with Randy Green. He was real helpful with doing all the appraisals, figuring out what we needed to do. And then we did a couple changes, and he was willing to work with us, having the vinyl floor put in instead of carpeting. But all in all, I'm telling you, this company is a fantastic company. I felt as if we were a part of the company, and every time I went up there, everybody was so nice, and I can't say enough about Swartz's restoration.